Meaning of first night.
First night.
First night.
First night.
First night. First night typically refers to the wedding night, which is the first night a newly married couple spend together. The term can also refer to a theatrical debut or the first performance of a musical or play. In either case, the result of the first night is typically seen as an important and highly anticipated event, with the potential to set the tone for future experiences. It can be a time of excitement, nervousness, and anticipation, and is often accompanied by various customs and traditions depending on the culture and context.